how to log in Wix website. Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can access and log in into your Wix account or your Wix website. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning to the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over wix.com. Then you are going to face the landing page of Wix. So right here, we have at the header or at the top right there, a button which has Get Started logo here for the case that you don't have an account or you want to sign up. And we have at the left side of it, the Login button. So we are going to select Login. Then it will show you right here the login platform. You can go ahead and set your email address and continue with the email, which is the traditional process, or you can go ahead and sign in with Google account, Facebook account, or an Apple account. But before signing in, you need to sign up for each one of them if you don't have already signed up for an account. So you're going to choose one of these. So I am going to click on Google and use my Google account. So as you can see right here, we have the Google right here pop up the window. We are going to choose an account from them. So I'm going to choose an account. A little disclaimer, guys, everything created in this video, the chest accounts, email addresses are created for the sake of the video and not for any personal uses. So keep that in mind and use your own personal information. So right here we are going to wait for the login and boom. And we have connected successfully our account and we are going to see whether the site's dashboard. So I'm going to ignore the step for the recovery right there because this is just a test count. So we are going to wait and boom. And we have the Wix dashboard of the websites that we have. As you can see, we have here the website that we have created or you can go ahead and select and manage any of these websites, or you can go ahead and click on create a new site. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll bet you have enjoyed the content. Hope to see you soon on the next one.
Easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.